Hello and good morning, students. I am Vikas Vats from Eklavya Educational Complex. My dear students, right now the whole world will be facing this global pandemic situation. And according to the guidelines of government, we have to follow some COVID protocol. That's why your school will be remain closed for a certain period of time. So my dear students, don't worry about it. We teachers and schools are always for you 24 into 7 to pull you out from the ditch. We are going to bring the advancement in your study, and through this virtual platform we are going to provide you all the facilities, all the classes. So don't worry about it. So my dear kids, right now I am going to start the new topic of class 10th economics, that is development. Before starting the topic development, I am going to show you the some picture related to your chapter. Right now you are seeing the picture of Kacha Road. A decade before, we are using this type of roads for our transportation purposes, and right now we are going to bring the advancement in the Kacha Road. We are going to use the concrete road. We are going to use the Pakka road for our transportation purposes right now. And a number of Pakka road are there which we are using in our country. So we are going to bring the advancement in the Kacha road to make it Pakka according to our comfort. And there are so many pictures related to our topic. Right now I am showing you the picture of the hut a decade before, or 20 years before. We are using such type of houses. We are using such type of shelter for living, for staying. And according to the comfortability, we make it Pakka, we make it luxurious. And right now we are building such type of houses in which every comfort zone is there. That means right now we are using the Pakka houses. That means we are going to bring the advancement in the previous houses and make it Pakka for our ease, for our comfort. Again I am showing you some pictures. This is the picture of tube light CFL. Right now we are using this tube light for lighting our houses, and before 10 years ago or a decade ago we are using kerosene lamp for lighting the houses. Means we are going to replace the previous one with advanced technology. Means we are bringing the advancement in each and every point in our life. This is the picture of hand pump, and before a decade we are using the tube well for our needs of water. Means all together we can say it as that we are going to introduce the advancement in each and every point of our life to make our life comfort, to make our life luxurious, to make our life better. and the process of creating this advancement in our life, not only in our life, in every point of our life, is known as development. Means we are going to study the topic development. And what is development? That I think that you know very well. While I am showing you these pictures, I explained that we are going to bring the advancement in each and every point of our life. And our chapter name is development. So the idea of development or progress has always been with us. We are not going to purchase the idea of development or progress from the market. It is been always with us, and we have also the aspirations and desire about this development, what we would like to do, what we have to do to make our life better. And similarly, we have also the ideas about how we make our country better, how we make our country developed, and what are the essential things that we have to do. Can life be better for all? Can a poor person become a rich? How should people live together without any indiscrimination? Can there be more equality? So these all are the questions. So we have to think about all these questions. Not only we have to think about it, we have to make an effort to solve all these questions, to make our life developed, to make our country developed. And this development is only possible through a democratic political processes, that these hopes and possibilities can be achieved in real life. Means without democratic political processes, we can't achieve this development in our life, in our country. Means democratic political process is necessary for achieving the development in our country, in our life. Next topic is what development promises different peoples and their different goals. Let us try to imagine what development or progress is like to a different person listed in the table. Means there are given some category of a person and their developmental goals or aspirations. Means the very first, the category of a person is landless rural laborers, and we are going to see their developmental goals. Means they want more day work and better wages for their work, and they send their children to a local school where the good quality of education is given. And they also want that there is no any social discrimination in their life, and they can too become the leader in the village. Means this is the developmental goals or aspiration of a landless rural laborers. Likewise, different category of person are there in our country. Suppose that the second one, it is given that prosperous farmers from Punjab. The farmers of Punjab have different aspirations of their development. They want a high family income, and their crops had been provided a better support prices, and they want hard working laborers at cheap cost, and they also want to settle their children abroad. Means in the first category of person, that is landless rural laborers, their aspirations are different from the aspirations of the farmer of Punjab. Both of them have different aspirations of their development. Means there are so many columns are given in your textbooks. While you are reading this column, you can see that the different category of person have the different aspirations or different goals of their development. Do all these persons have the same notion of development or progress? No. Each one of them seeks different things. They want different things to make their life comfort, to make their life developed. They seek things that are most important for them, that which can fulfill their aspirations or desire. In fact, at times, two persons or group of persons may seek things which are conflicting. Suppose that a girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares in the household, but their brothers don't want such type of things from their sister side. Means inside a family, a brother and sister have different aspirations or goal of their development. So my dear students, different persons, from this above table we are going to conclude that different persons can have different developmental goals, and two, what may be development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destructive for the others. And if we are going to make it similar, means if we are going to make the aspiration or the goals of development of two persons similar, it will create conflict between the two persons or the group of persons. So from this above discussion, from this above topic, we can easily see that it will be never possible that the aspirations or the goal of the development of two persons will be same. So today this much only, and from all this discussion we are going to observe that what is development and what are the essential things for the development. We are also studied that different category of persons and their different aspirations or goals of their development, and it will be never same, and if we make it similar, it will create conflict between the group of persons. So today this much only, my dear students. Next topic we shall going to study in the next classes. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much.